Lesson: Developing AI Governance Policies. Developing AI governance policies is a critical aspect of ensuring responsible and ethical use of artificial intelligence technologies. As AI systems become integral to decision-making processes across various industries, the need for structured governance frameworks becomes paramount. Such policies guide organizations in aligning AI deployments with ethical standards, legal requirements, and societal expectations. This lesson provides actionable insights, practical tools, and step-by-step applications for professionals to develop and implement effective AI governance policies. AI governance policies serve as a blueprint for organizations to manage risks, uphold ethical standards, and ensure compliance with regulatory requirements. One actionable approach is to adopt a risk-based framework, which involves identifying potential risks associated with AI applications and implementing measures to mitigate them. This framework requires a comprehensive understanding of the AI system's lifecycle, from development to deployment and monitoring. For example, the European Union's AI Act proposes a risk-based classification system, categorizing AI applications into unacceptable, high, and minimal risk categories, each with specific regulatory obligations. A practical tool that can aid in developing AI governance policies is the AI Impact Assessment, akin to a data protection impact assessment used under the GDPR framework. The AIIA involves a thorough analysis of potential impacts an AI system might have on individuals and society. This assessment helps organizations identify ethical concerns, privacy issues, and potential biases in AI models. By incorporating stakeholder input and expert consultations, organizations can ensure a balanced perspective in assessing AI impacts. Transparency and accountability are vital components of AI governance. Implementing mechanisms that enhance transparency can build trust among stakeholders. One practical application is the development of algorithmic transparency reports, which document the decision-making processes of AI systems. These reports should include information on the data sources used, the logic behind the algorithms, and any potential biases identified. For instance, Google has published transparency reports detailing the operation of its AI systems, which has helped enhance public trust and understanding. Furthermore, establishing accountability frameworks is essential to ensure that there are clear lines of responsibility for AI-related decisions. Organizations can adopt accountability practices by designating AI ethics officers or committees responsible for overseeing AI governance policies. These officers should have the authority to enforce policies, conduct audits, and address ethical concerns as they arise. A case study from Microsoft demonstrates the effectiveness of such practices, where the company established an AI and ethics in engineering and research committee to guide ethical AI development. Bias and fairness are critical challenges in AI governance. Developing policies that address these issues requires a proactive approach to identifying and mitigating biases in AI models. Tools like IBM's AI Fairness 360 provide algorithms and metrics to detect and reduce bias in AI systems. By integrating such tools into the development process, organizations can enhance the fairness and inclusivity of their AI applications. Additionally, organizations should establish guidelines for regular bias audits to ensure that AI systems remain fair over time. AI governance policies must also address the challenge of data privacy. With AI systems increasingly reliant on vast amounts of data, ensuring compliance with data protection regulations is crucial. The adoption of privacy-preserving techniques, such as differential privacy and federated learning, can help organizations protect individual privacy while leveraging data for AI applications. Differential privacy, for example, adds noise to data, enabling the extraction of useful insights without compromising individual privacy. Moreover, AI governance policies should promote ethical AI use by embedding ethical considerations into the design and deployment of AI systems. The IEEE Global Initiative on Ethics of Autonomous and Intelligent Systems provides guidelines for ethical AI practices, emphasizing principles such as human rights, well-being, and accountability. By aligning AI governance policies with these principles, organizations can ensure that their AI applications prioritize ethical considerations. A step-by-step approach to developing AI governance policies involves several key stages. Firstly, organizations should conduct a comprehensive assessment of their AI capabilities and existing governance structures. This involves identifying gaps and areas for improvement in managing AI-related risks. Secondly, organizations should engage stakeholders, including employees, customers, and regulators, to gather diverse perspectives and insights. This engagement can be facilitated through workshops, consultations, and surveys. Thirdly, organizations should establish clear objectives for their AI governance policies, aligning them with broader organizational goals and ethical standards. These objectives should be measurable and achievable, providing a clear framework for implementation. Fourthly, organizations should develop detailed policy documents outlining roles, responsibilities, and procedures for AI governance. These documents should be regularly reviewed and updated to reflect technological advancements and evolving regulatory requirements. Fifthly, organizations should implement training programs to enhance awareness and understanding of AI governance among employees. These programs should cover topics such as ethical AI practices, risk management, and compliance requirements. Finally, organizations should establish monitoring and evaluation mechanisms to assess the effectiveness of their AI governance policies. This involves regular audits, performance reviews, and feedback loops to ensure continuous improvement. The development of AI governance policies is not a one-time effort, but an ongoing process that requires adaptability and responsiveness to technological and societal changes. As AI technologies continue to evolve, organizations must remain vigilant in updating their governance frameworks to address emerging challenges. By adopting a proactive and comprehensive approach, organizations can harness the benefits of AI while minimizing associated risks and ensuring ethical and responsible AI use. In conclusion, developing AI governance policies is a multifaceted endeavor that involves risk assessment, transparency, accountability, and ethical considerations. By leveraging practical tools and frameworks, organizations can create robust governance structures that align with legal requirements and societal expectations. The integration of stakeholder input, regular audits, and continuous improvement mechanisms further enhances the effectiveness of these policies. With a commitment to ethical AI practices, organizations can navigate the complexities of AI governance and contribute to a future where AI technologies are used responsibly and for the greater good.